When I heard about the Haiti earthquake, I was surprised. The number of victims were horrific. 220,000 people died in that earthquake. 330,000 people were injured, and 1.3 million people were displaced. It was not so much a natural disaster as it was an engineering disaster. This is the presidential palace that collapsed in the earthquake. The magnitude of the earthquake was 7.9, but this building was designed to withstand an 8.5 earthquake, which is 500 times more powerful. Let me rewind the clock to the time that this building was being designed. The government requested a proposal for designing the palace. Consulting engineering companies bidding on the project had their design team sit down and find an optimized design. The company with the most optimized design won the project and engineered this disaster. They lacked the proper tool to tell them how safe their design actually was. In consulting engineering companies, engineers use software packages, much like sophisticated calculators, to analyze different designs and find a safe and optimized solution. Consulting engineering companies are the customers of such software packages. There are more than 1,000 engineering companies here in Canada, all of which are customers of software companies in the US and in Europe. Normally, engineers can go through several scenarios to find the most optimized design using such software products, but what if they could go through 1,000 different designs and were able to see the risk associated to each design at the same time? The biggest software players in the market are Ansys and Dassault Systems. Both are multi-billion-dollar companies. We are smart design systems. We intend to produce a software package that helps engineers achieve a safer and more optimized design in a shorter time span. We offer our software offers similar analysis capability as our competitors, but faster due to support for advanced computing hardware devices and cloud services. We offer risk assessment analysis tools to show engineers how safe their optimized design is. These tools are based on 30 years of experience of my co-founder, Dr. Fenton. We offer machine learning that improves with experience to teach the computer to find the optimal solution. The last two options are only available at the Smart Design Systems. In our lab here at Dalhousie Engineering Campus, we tested different walls. Then we used the lab results in our software to build a huge database of different walls. We fed the database to our learning algorithm and asked the computer to design a wall for us. We were amazed by the results. The value we bring to our customers, mainly consulting engineering companies, is to increase their chance in winning design bids. We make sure design teams using our software can reach to a more optimized design. This will have an impact on our buyer, usually the head of the design team. We have thought about our users as well. Engineers will easily be able to use our software due to its simple interface. Equally importantly, they can see the risk associated to each design by just pushing a button. I'm thrilled to announce that 2 major companies and 1 university had agreed to test our software and become a customer if we do what we promise. My name is Reza Rahimi. I'm a postdoctoral fellow and have more than a decade of experience in engineering design. My co-founder, Dr. Fenton, is a professor in the Department of Civil and Resource Engineering and Engineering Mathematics. Dr. Fenton has 30 years of experience in reliability design of structures. His research papers have more than 7,000 citations. Logan is our CTO and is developing the graphical interface of the software. I believe with a smart design system, we have identified the problem and we have a solution to make engineering design smarter and our structures safer. Thank you for listening.